This borscht is absolutely delicious. One of the best meals for lunch. Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make borscht, a traditional and hearty soup. For this recipe you will need meat, potatoes, cabbage, beet, carrot, onion, tomato paste and some spices. Let's start by making the broth. Place the meat in a pot, cover with the water and bring it to a boil over medium heat. When it starts boiling, pour out the first broth and refill with the clean water. Now let's prepare the vegetables. I begin with the onion. I like to chop it into small cubes. You can see how I do it in the video. Next is the carrot. I prefer grated it, but slicing it into thin strips also works. Then come the potato. I use vegetable chopper to get even small pieces. For the cabbage, I slice it thinly with a knife or use this special shredder. And finally the beet. I grate them too. But feel free to slice them if that's your style. While the broth is cooking, let's make the sauté base. Add some neutral oil to a pan, then the onions. Cook over low heat until the onions are translucent. Then add the carrots. If the vegetables are browning too fast, reduce the heat. Once they soften, add 1 clove of garlic, mixed well. After a minute, add plain tomato paste without any spices. Stir and simmer for a few minutes, then turn off the heat and our sauté is ready. The broth has been cooking for an hour now. Time to add the potatoes. Let them cook for 10 minutes. Next, add the beet and pour in some hot water. After 10 minutes, add the cabbage. Mine is young, so it cooks quickly. If yours is older or more thickly cut, add it earlier together with the beet. After about 5 minutes, add the sauté. And don't forget to skim off any foam from the surface. Now it's time for the spices. I like to add bay leaf, of course salt, black pepper, dried garlic, coriander, and dried dill. Check the consistency, it should look nice and rich. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. Cover with a lid and let it sit for 30–60 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe and leave a comment. It really helps my small channel grow.